This video shows how to access and install the Eclipse P2 plugin for Rational Team Concert. The P2 plugin for the Eclipse client is stored in the ALM Rational community within Rational Asset Manager. At the end of the presentation, you'll be provided with a link to this asset that you can download and install into your local Eclipse environment. When Asset Manager launches, you'll be asked for your username and password. This is the same username and password that you log on to Remedy. It's the web single sign-on password. Your NUID should begin with the capital letter, and your password's the same password you use for single sign-on. If this is the first time you've logged into RAM, you will be taken to a registration page. You can't go to the ALM community until you've registered. So just scroll down to the bottom of this page and click Register. And now you're taken directly to the asset. And to download the asset, you just click on the Download Asset icon. And select Save the file locally, and then OK. If you don't have the link, you can go directly into RAM at https://rational.kp.org/RAM and select Search. You can search off a P2 or RTC plugin, and this takes you to the asset which you can download. Okay, I downloaded the RTC client P2 repository, and then I unzipped the zip file to the same location. Then I go to the Eclipse client, I click Help, and I click Install New Software. To the right of the Work With field, click the Add button. When the Add Repository box pops up, click the Local button and browse to the location where you unzipped the P2 zip file. In this case, it's under my Downloads folder. Give the plugin a name and browse to the location. Click the Rational Team Concert client and click the Next button. Accept the license agreement and select the Finish button. And this will install the plugin into your Eclipse environment. And after the plugin is installed, you will be prompted to restart Eclipse for the changes to take effect. So you will have to restart. Now, if you've logged into RTC before, you may be prompted for a user ID and password. If this is your first time into RTC, you shouldn't be prompted here. But if you are, your user ID is your NUID, and your password is the same password. It's a web single sign-on password, so it's the same password that you use to log into Remedy. Okay, once in Eclipse, you need to verify that the work item perspective is there. So to do that, you can go to Window, Open Perspective, and if you don't see it in the list, select Other, and then select the work item perspective, which we can see is available. And now you can see that we are in the Team Artifact view of the work item perspective, and we have successfully installed the RTC P2 plugin into the Eclipse environment.